Hey friends, how are you? Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Masterchef double burner cooktop. I just bought it today from Canadian Tire for $39.99. The regular price is $54.99, so I saved 25% or $15. That's how it looks like right there. And I'm gonna quickly look at the specification right here. As you can see, it says, as the French version, it says on the specs, Masterchef double burner cooktop, variable temperature control knob for each burner, power indicator light for each element, 1-year limited warranty. Specifications: 120 volts, 1500 watts output, weight 3 pounds, and this is made in China right there. Okay, that's the conforms with the standard 1026 Intertech ETL. That's the outside box, and I'm gonna open now. Holding my camera in one hand, using my feet to pull out, support the box and pull out the product. Bear with me here for a moment, I'm just pulling the product here. Okay, there it is. There's a styro here on the side, styrofoam. Okay, holding it with my hands while holding the camera. Okay, right there, finally. Sorry for that pulling. Then what we got here is the product fresh from the box. You can see there's a plug that I assume it will be short as always. Hope the manufacturers provide at least a meter of cord length to plug into the electrical outlet that is a little bit far away. But look, they just provide you with this cord right here, which I assume to be, okay, looks like a decent cord right there, about a 3 feet or a meter cord. Okay, comes with a manual, both in French and English. Right there. Let's take a little flip on the manual. Here are the safety instructions, safety precautions. Let's check out the warranty. Right there, there's the warranty, and there's the model number, contact information right there, and the never use abrasive cleansers, never immerse in water. Okay, now we're going to test the product. Put it in the outlet. I'm carrying it in my kitchen. Hold on, let me just check out the let's check out the sticker first to reveal the model number. That's the model number right there, 043 12014. Right there, made in China. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1500 watts. That's the back of it. It's got like these rubber supports right here. There's two knobs and the two green lights, one red light. So now we're gonna go to the kitchen and test it. Turn on the light of the kitchen. Okay. Okay, now I need to position it so I can plug it into the outlet. Okay, right there. So there it is right now. I'm gonna plug it in that electrical outlet. The measurement, it looks like maybe around 16 inches with length from edge here to edge there, 16 inches, and about 12 inches here, a foot on the width. Okay, so now I'm gonna plug it in right here. You can see the outlet, and I'm gonna turn on the knob for the left burner. So right there, put it to number 4. Number 5. There's no light. Okay, maybe need to plug into a different outlet. Okay, let's plug it in at the bottom here. Okay, now I see some light. There it is, the red light. Turn on the left burner here. Put it to number 5. And the right burner, put it to number 5 as well. There's the green light. So now I can feel that it's hot right now here. There's some smoke that you can see. Feeling hot right here also. Right there, in just a matter of less than a minute, you can see that it's smoking, start to get hot right there. Okay. With regards to size, I'm gonna take a pot here, or a pan. Let's see, pot. So this pot is around 8 inches in diameter. So you can see here that the right side has a bigger diameter hot plate, cooktop. So this around 8 inches, maybe even 10 inches pot can fit on the right side right there. And the left side, it looks like a smaller pot, so we'll try a smaller pot here. This pot is around 6 inches and it can fit right there. You can see two pots, small on the left, big on the right. There's still light is still green, so looks good. I hope this video was helpful to you, and also hope that this will last long as was intended. Okay, cheers and have a good one. Hope you like this unboxing of the Masterchef 2-burner cooktop or hot plate. Okay, cheers and have a good one.